In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to clean this gray leather seat out of a Chevy Tahoe. As you can see, it's used. It's a used seat, you know. It's a 15-year-old seat, but you know, we got some stuff on here. We're not sure what that is. Looks like whatever it is. So we're gonna use the brush. We're just gonna spray some soap on it. All right, we got to get it soapy. It is warm outside, so we got to keep it moist. Let's see what we can do here. Right off the bat, you can see the color change. Right off the bat, look at that. Ooh, yeah, that's good. It's all about scrubbing, really. Look how much better it already looks. Look how much better that seat looks. Way better. 50% better. Here, it's okay. We have an area right here that needs to be addressed, an area right here, a little bit there yet. So we're gonna go give it another hit. We're also gonna hit this console really quick and see if we can get it cleaned up a little bit from all the dirt.